Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap news we've been covering over the past week. Galliford Try announced the acquisition of Nene Valley Fire Acoustics as it upgraded guidance for 2026. The UK Tier 1 construction group reports to see 11th straight period of first half revenue and profit growth.
This all flows down to adjusted profit before tax, up by over 20% to £24.7 million, well ahead of revenue growth. And this is exactly the sort of story that we want to be telling. Pleasingly, cash conversion from these profits was also strong, with average month-end cash up 6.3% to nearly £190 million.
Coinsilium is expanding into prediction markets, describing the sector as a fast-growing and natural extension of its digital asset focus. The Yellow Network listing event is scheduled for this weekend, and the company says it has well over a year of runway with no near or medium-term funding requirements.
I think it becomes quite clear to shareholders that even as we stand today, we've got well over a year of runway in terms of our funding needs to run the business, such that we really don't have any near or medium-term funding requirements. And indeed, we have a variety of options available to us now. So, we've got what we need for the near term, medium term, and optionality going forward. So we're not reliant on any one source of funding.
Valereum started cross-trading on the OTCQB to build visibility ahead of a potential Nasdaq or NYSE listing. The gold-backed token VGOLD is a key part of its growth strategy.
We always said that in order to get on Nasdaq or NYSE and stay there, you've got to have a sustainable business, and that equals revenues.
Quantum Blockchain Technologies CEO Francesco Gardin says the company's ASIC UltraBoost tech could improve Bitcoin mining efficiency by between 8 and 12%. A patent application is in the final stage of examination in the US, a key step in the patent approval process.
The US is important because it is the largest market for mining, Bitcoin mining, and being at this stage, it's very good. Of course, it's not a guarantee that it will be granted, but when you discuss the terms to use in the claims with the examiner, that's a really, really, really good point in the process.
Baroness Sharon Bowles has warned about the pension schemes bill. She believes excluding listed investment companies from DC default schemes could hit infrastructure projects and retail investors.
But if you have on the face of the bill, don't use listed investment companies or words that are in effect that, then that's something that can distort the rest of the market, because they're saying, well, why shouldn't we invest in listed investment companies? What do the government know that we don't? And it's also taking away potential cornerstone investors from new IPOs and follow-on funding.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.